Welcome to our tutorial. To get started, install the affiliate plugin just like any other WordPress plugin. Go to your dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New, upload the plugin file, and click Activate. Once it's active, you'll see a new AFFI affiliate menu in your admin panel. Now that AFFI is installed, let's talk about how users can join your affiliate program. Depending on your settings, users can register as affiliates during account sign-up or later through their My Account page, or they can't register as affiliate at all. You can choose to automatically approve affiliate registrations or manually review and approve each one. This gives you full control over who gets access to your program. Admins have full control over the affiliate list. There are some easy ways to add or remove affiliate users. From the user's dashboard, check or uncheck the AFFI affiliate checkbox beside each user to add or revoke their affiliate status. You can also use bulk actions. Just check multiple users, then choose Convert Affiliate to update them all at once. From General Settings, you'll find a Convert button. Click this to convert all eligible existing users into affiliates. It's a quick way to onboard everyone at once. From the Affiliates tab, you can manually add a new affiliate or reject and delete any affiliate application. AFFI supports multi-level affiliate tracking. This means affiliates can earn not only from their own referrals, but also from sales generated by affiliates they've recruited, called child affiliates. When someone signs up through an affiliate's referral link, they become that affiliate's child. This relationship is displayed on the MLM dashboard, and earnings from sub-affiliates depend on admin-defined commission rules. Now let's look at how affiliates manage their payment details. Admins can configure which methods are available from the payment settings in the backend. Under the Payment tab, affiliates can add multiple payment methods, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or custom options, and set one as default. They can click Add New, fill in the required fields, and save the method. Ranks are a great way to categorize and reward affiliates based on their performance. They can be used to unlock exclusive perks, assign different commission levels, or simply recognize top performers. To begin, head to the Rank section in your admin dashboard. Here, you can create a new rank by setting a name, description, and any custom conditions or visuals you'd like. Once created, you can assign a rank manually to any affiliate. Under the General Settings, you'll find the Ranking Update method. There are two options: automatic update an affiliate's rank each time they complete an order, or manual update ranks on a set schedule monthly. Under the Commission settings, you can set how affiliate earnings are calculated. Choose between a fixed amount or percentage-based commissions. You can also set category-specific rates, exclude self-purchases, and apply limits per order. Beside, Multi-level and rank commissions can be stacked on top of the base commission, offering more flexible earning structures. Affiliates can promote products using their unique referral links. From their dashboard, they can browse products and copy their personal share link to start referring customers. When the Restrict Affiliate option is enabled, affiliates will only earn commission on products they've actively shared. These are listed under the Restricted Products tab in their dashboard. Admins can also choose to display or hide the expiry date for restriction. This approach gives affiliates flexibility while letting you, as the admin, control which promotions are commission eligible. When customers make a purchase using an affiliate link, the order is tracked and credited to the referring affiliate. Order details, referral sources, and commission amounts are all recorded for both admin review and affiliate transparency. AFFI lets you create custom offers to your affiliates. There are two main types of offers you can create. Direct Gift lets you manually send a reward to any affiliate, regardless of their current rank. It's perfect for one-time bonuses, appreciation gifts, or special incentives. There are no conditions. Simply choose the affiliate and send the gift directly. While Rank Reward allows you to assign a reward that can only be claimed by affiliates who meet a specific rank. It's ideal for motivating affiliates to level up and unlock exclusive perks. Each offer includes a few key settings. Admins can set payout request rules, fees, and limits, and the affiliates can request payouts from their dashboard once they've earned commissions. Affiliates choose their payment method, submit a request, and the status will be updated once pressed by the admin. In addition to affiliate-submitted requests, admins can also manually create payout requests from the backend. Stay informed with automated notifications. AFFI supports email alerts for events like affiliate registration, approval, payouts, rank changes. Admins can customize these messages under the notification settings, keep communication clear and professional.